Hey foodies, welcome back again to my channel. So today's recipe is very, I don't know, dear to my heart. I love this so much. I just don't know why. Probably because my kids guys were just gassing me up after eating this food. But yeah, let's just get into it. Like, look at that food. Let's get into it. So welcome back. In your pot, you're going to put your, what is it called? Your pasta. Okay, so this is the one I'm using. I got this. I think I got this from Walmart. Yeah, it's definitely not Sam's, but I got this from Walmart. And you're going to boil that pasta. So now, as that is cooking, I am going ahead to marinate, to kind of like spice my chicken. I've added my nut seasoning, my garlic. I'm going to definitely leave everything in the description box so you guys can see that. So I'm just going to go ahead and season my chicken properly. I'm using this chicken thighs. So yeah, adding up some paprika. I mean, if you follow me here, you already know my favorite seasonings. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to add all that in, and we are going to go in with that, go into that chicken and make sure that everything is mixed properly. So after seasoning all of this, I'm just making sure that it has enough seasoning, like it's thoroughly seasoned and everything. You have to mix properly just to get into all the corners of the chicken. Make sure that everything is good, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook that in this pan. I'm just adding my oil, add a little oil, and then place your chicken on there to cook. This method, I feel like this method gives me the best tasting chicken. Like, it just gives me the best taste when it comes to chicken thighs. I don't know why, but yeah, this method, it makes sure that everything gets in, like, and I love how, kind of like gently cooks and everything gets in there. All your seasoning gets to like get into your chicken real good, and I love that. So now this is cooking and our pasta is boiling and it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. And then in another fresh pan, I am going to go ahead and start making my sauce for this pasta. Yep, throw in your butter. I'm going to definitely leave everything in the description box, the everything that I used, so don't be confused and be worried. Don't worry, just make sure you learn, you watch and learn, and then I'm going to leave everything in the description box so you can get your measurements and all of that. So I added some butter, added with a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to be adding my cut on my onions, and just let that cook for like for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my heavy cream. And then here I have some garlic and ginger paste, so I'm going to add that in. This is fresh garlic and ginger paste. I was so happy that I was able to use fresh garlic and ginger paste. That's one of the reasons why I told you guys that this just is so special. And then this is fresh habanero pepper. If you don't like spicy, avoid this, but I like spicy. Of course, I am Nigerian, so yes, I love spicy food. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add my curry powder, my nut seasoning. I'm going to add my garlic, some paprika to give it that color, give it a very nice color. So yep, here the paprika goes. It's going to give it this nice, color. Not too much. You don't want it to be just red. You just want it to kind of like give it that nice color. So I'm going to stir that all, mix everything in, and add any remaining seasoning that I have not added. Of course, as you cook, you taste your food and make sure that everything is okay. So I added some turmeric powder, and now I am going in with my cheese. Depending on how you like, if you like cheese a whole lot, you can add as many as you want to. That is your preference, it is your food, so cook it how you want it and how you like it. There are no rules to this. So after that, but cooking for a while, I went ahead and added my pasta in, and we are going to give that a very good mix. I know I should have used a big pan, but if you know me, listen, I'm cooking it in this. I do not care. It has to be done in here. Oh gosh, and then you're going to go ahead and serve that up, because look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you have a different way of making this particular dish. Just let me know in the comment section. But yeah, so I don't know, but anyways, this was so yummy. It was just so good. I added some parsley leaf on top of that, some fresh parsley. Everything, I love how everything I used was fresh. And this is the chicken we cooked earlier on, and yes, your food is ready. Bon appetit. See you guys in the next one.